Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to share Instagram posts on Facebook. So first, you have to open or launch your Instagram account. Now you need to make sure too that you have connected your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So to do that, you have to go to your profile, tap these three lines at the top right corner. And then here you have to look for your settings and activity. And then click this account center right here and then tap this profiles and then make sure that your Facebook account is also here, like you're connected to your Facebook account so that you can share whatever you want to share from Instagram to Facebook. So for example, I'm going to post something. If you want to post something, you just have to click this plus icon. Then you can post story or like multiple pictures. Everything is up to you. Now, this one, I want to post this to my Instagram and also to my Facebook. So feel free to edit. Once you're done, then all you have to do is to click next. And then here you can add your captions, locations, you can tag people, audience, and then as you can see, there is this share to, and then here is your Facebook account. So all you have to do after you have added your location, captions here, you just have to toggle this one on, share to Facebook, and then after that, you have to click this share button right here. And then you will see this, and all you have to do is to tap this share post. You can also tap not now if you don't want. So click this share post right here. And then after that, you will be notified that it's now finishing up. And if you go to your Facebook account, once it's posted to your Instagram, it's also posted on your Facebook account. So go to your Facebook, go to your profile, and then you should see the post that you have shared from your Instagram to your Facebook. As easy as that. So this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.